In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly export your data from Airtable and get it into Microsoft Excel. This process is incredibly handy whether you're managing contacts, projects, or any other type of data, enabling you to utilize Excel's advanced features for further analysis, reporting, or sharing. First things first, let's open up your Google Chrome browser. Navigate over to https://airtable.com. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the base that contains the table you wish to export. This step ensures that you have access to all the relevant data you need to transfer over to Excel. Now, focus on choosing the specific table and view you need. For instance, this could be a table labeled contacts or projects. Select it, then decide on the view you want to export. This could be a grid view or a specialized view that's filtered or sorted according to your needs. Keep in mind that the export will only include the data visible in the chosen view, so ensure it reflects exactly what you need. With the correct table and view set up, it's time to download your data. Look to the top right corner of your Airtable interface. You'll notice a menu icon featuring 3 dots. Click on this icon and then select the option to download CSV. Airtable will proceed to download your selected table in a CSV file format, typically saving it to your default downloads folder. Next, let's move to Excel to work with your exported data. Open up Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is running, head over to the File menu and select Open. Navigate to where your CSV file was downloaded, usually your downloads folder unless specified otherwise, and select the file to open it within Excel. Instantly, you'll see your Airtable data beautifully displayed in Excel, ready for whatever you plan to do next. Finally, let's save your file for future use. While still in Excel, click on File and then choose Save As. This step is essential for preserving your work in Excel's native format, which is an Excel workbook with the .xlsx extension. Selecting this format ensures your data is compatible with all of Excel's powerful functionalities and is easy to share with others who might not use Airtable. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your data from Airtable and saved it in Excel as an .xlsx file. Whether you're preparing for an important presentation, analyzing trends, or sharing information with your team, this straightforward process allows you to effectively manage and leverage your data using Excel's extensive tools. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful.